In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an XY scatter plot in Google Sheets. To get started, make sure your data is organized correctly. Because the chart will only make sense if the spreadsheet layout is clean, your x-axis data, which is your independent variable, should go in the left column, such as column A. Your y-axis data, which is the dependent variable, should go in the column directly to the right, such as column B. In the very first row of both columns, add clear headers that describe each variable and include units if needed. This is important because those labels help Google Sheets understand your dataset and also make your chart easier to read later. Once your data is ready, highlight the entire dataset, including the header row. After that, go to the top menu bar and click Insert. Then choose Chart from the drop-down menu. Google Sheets will generate a chart automatically. In many cases, the default chart will be a line chart or a bar chart, so don't worry if it doesn't look correct yet. You should also see a chart editor sidebar appear on the right side of your screen. That panel is where you'll make all of your adjustments. Inside the chart editor, start in the Setup tab. Find the Chart Type drop-down menu and click it. Then scroll down until you reach the Scatter category and select the Scatter chart icon. As soon as you do this, your chart will change from connected lines or bars into separate plotted points, which is exactly what you want for an XY scatter plot. Next, move to the Customize tab in the chart editor. Open the Series section, then scroll down and check the box for trendline. This adds a best fit line to your scatter plot, which can help show the overall relationship between your variables. Right below that, change the label drop-down to use equation. This will display the line equation directly on the chart in the familiar y equals mx plus b format. Then check the box for Show R squared, so you can see how strong the correlation is between your data points. That value is useful when you want to judge how well the trend line represents the data. To finish, stay in the Customize tab and expand Chart and Axis titles. Use the drop-down menu there to switch between the chart title, the horizontal axis title and the vertical axis title. Rename each one so your graph is clearly labeled and easy to understand. Thanks for watching.